orange again, down each step to the floor and stretch up. This helps to reset your body. Hey, how are we doing? Are you struggling with an afternoon slump of energy? Well, I've got 3 minutes of movement that are gonna increase that energy very, very rapidly. The exercise or the movement that I've got is on the stairs, and it will be rolling the orange from the 4th stair. As you roll it from the 4th one, you catch it with the other hand. Roll it from the 3rd one, catch it with the other hand. 2nd, 1, and all the way down. 3 minutes you've got, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this really helps to improve, and at the end of it you can stretch up and just roll the orange again, down each step to the floor and stretch up. This helps to reset your body, reset your energy, especially if you're having that afternoon slump. Rolling it down and catching it with a different hand every time just helps you to improve that energy. It helps to stretch those hamstrings as you go all the way down to the floor, and helps to get your blood to your head. Also, if you have been sat down or not doing any movement for some time, just keep it going. It's gonna strengthen your back. It's also gonna strengthen your hamstrings and your toe muscles, because you will be rolling the orange and also having to control the amount of movement that you are doing when you are catching the orange. Very easy, very simple, and so invigorating and highly energizing for your body, your mind, your soul, your spirit, because it's helping you to stretch and helping you to get some movement into your day. Now, for those of you, you've got 1 minute remaining. For those of you that I've helped stretch throughout this 98-part video series in which to move with an orange, I'm sure some of you might have known that it's great to move your body every 47 minutes, but by doing so, you need to set an alarm clock. Every time you sit down, every time you go up and you start something, make sure that you set an alarm and put it in your phone for 47 minutes. When that 47 minutes goes, you do 3 minutes of movement. That's what these videos are for. And that takes you to 50 minutes past the hour. You got time to get a drink, 5 minutes to go to the toilet, and 5 minutes to reset yourself. And this will help to revive, re-energize your afternoon. You got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Great job. Well done to those of you that have taken part. Please keep up the good work on the movement, and I shall see you on the next Stair video.